Hello everyone, myself Pragathi of class 8A.
And I, Prithvi Prashant of Class 8B. We are here to speak about the Human Rights Day.
Human Rights Day is celebrated every year on 10th December, the day when United Nations General Assembly adopted in 1948 the Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a milestone document that proclaims the inalienable rights which every human is entitled to, regardless of his or her race, color, religion, language, status, etc.
There are 30 human rights which include right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery, right to work and education, freedom of expression and opinion, and many more.
The three core principles of human rights are universal and inalienable, indivisible, interdependent, and interrelated.
Human Rights Act is a law that protects all of us from having our rights taken away by the state. This act was adopted on 12th October 1993.
This year, 2020, the theme for Human Rights Day is Recover Better, Stand Up for Human Rights.
This theme relates to the present day COVID-19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back better by ensuring that human rights is central to recovery efforts.
We would like to conclude by saying that it is a global event that everyone celebrates and enjoys their rights. It makes people aware of the rights that a human being has.
We, on behalf of all students, teachers, and management of Chitrakoota School, wish a very happy Human Rights Day. Thank you.